Hi there, tubers. I'm back at it again. This time it's a Revox B77. I think this is a Mark II. Mark II. I just pulled it out of the box. It's all dirty, so I'm doing initial cleaning. That's the box it comes in, and I took out the cards and now I'm giving it a proper cleaning. So what I've been doing, I just take out the cards and first I brush them off, and then I use my vacuum cleaner and just vacuum it. But sometimes the dirt get real tough on these cards. So what I do also, I have a Sharky what do you call this, steam cleaner, and I just steam him down. You know, kind of soften up the dirt. Sometimes a puff of water will comes out from the Sharky if the steam is not ready, so that's okay. So I do that, and then I start brushing them off, you know, and I further take the vacuum again and try to get as much of the moisture out as possible. You see, not bad at all. It's pretty good, but I will give it some more cleaning. So sometimes I'll get to a spot where the dirt is just stick onto the PC board like almost like a glue. So what I do, I use this product here. It's called Crud Cutter, and it worked pretty good. So I just throw some on it, and then I use my brush to go over it, and then I just take a piece of cloth and just clean it up. So that's my routine. Okay, so after cleaning it up, I take it out to the sun and let it dry naturally underneath the sun. The sunlight just catch it and just dry it out properly. So this looks pretty clean. So I let it dry for a few hours and come pick it up later on. Okay, so with the cards out of the way, now I can get in there, and first I'll just vacuum it. Because I see a lot of stuff like cobweb in this thing. So the vacuum cleaner will just pull out all the extra dirt. Now I do all of this cleaning even before I plug this thing in to see what goes on, to do my analysis, what has to be done to this deck to do a proper restoration. But I have to work on a clean deck, so that's why I'm cleaning it up before I do anything. Right, then in some areas I will use my steam to soften up the dirt and just wipe it out nicely, and then take a nice cloth and just go over it. Of course, the pinch roll. What the hell? Look here. I've never seen this before. That's not the right nut for this thing. That's not the right screw. Somebody did something to it. That's the thing about these decks. These decks are always almost 50 years old. So over time, you know, parts get lost and worn out, and people just do what they can to get it going. And see here, right away, there's a switch that has to be replaced right here. All right, and oh, here's another one. This one needs to be replaced too. So I've seen worse than this, so you know, it's not too bad, you know. I mean, cosmetically, it's not too bad. Yeah. See, some more dirt. Got to get down in there and clean it up real nice. Okay, thank you for watching this initial cleaning of the Revox B77 Mark II. Stay tuned. This is my first video on it, so I will do follow-up video in the future. Thank you for watching.